Subscribe this channel for more videos and press the bell icon for latest updates. Hello guys, what's going on? This is Arjun and today I have Motorola One Power. The model number of this phone is P30 Note. As this phone runs on Android One, that's why the name is given One Power. The motive of the Android One is to give the stock Android experience in the budget mobile phones. Google provides the update in Android One as soon as the new Android version is released. On the front side we get the Motorola and the Android One logo. On this side we get the two IMEI numbers as this is a dual SIM phone. Again on this side we get the Motorola and the Android logo. This phone has 4GB RAM and 64GB inbuilt storage, which you can expand up to 256GB with the help of the microSD card. On the back side we get the phone photo and below we get the specifications of the phone. This phone has 6.2-inch display, 5000 mAh battery with turbocharged 14nm octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon processor and a 16 and 5 megapixel dual rear cameras. So let's unbox this phone. First thing that we get inside this box is phone itself with a silicone cover already applied to it. This cover is very soft and the quality is also good. On the front side of the phone we get the 19:9 aspect ratio 6.2-inch LCD display. Motorola used the Corning Gorilla Glass in this phone. This display has a resolution of 1080 by 2246 pixels with a density of 403 pixels per inch. Also the bezels of this phone is very thin. Here on the top we get the notch with a 12 megapixel f2.0 aperture selfie camera, followed by the earpiece, front LED flash, ambient light and proximity sensor. We also get the latest Bluetooth 5.0 and 802.11ac Wi-Fi in this phone. The back side of this phone is made from aluminum with a superior quality. Just the weight of this phone is slightly heavy as compared to the other smartphones in this range. On the back side we get the dual cameras. One is a 16 megapixel primary camera with f1.8 aperture and the other one is a 5 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture, which is used for depth sensing. We get the dual tone LED flash between these cameras. The fingerprint sensor is also mounted on the back side with Motorola logo on the top. We get the speaker, USB Type-C port and a mic on the bottom. We get the volume up down and a power button on this side. Here on the top we get the 3.5mm headphone jack and a noise cancellation mic. We get the SIM slot on this side. After this phone we get the regulatory and the warranty info inside this box, followed by the user manual which is printed in both Hindi and English. After that we get the SIM ejector tool. Now we get the black USB-A to USB Type-C cable. Last thing that we get inside this box is a black power adapter. This is a 12-volt turbocharger. Here on this side of the adapter we get the Motorola and the turbo power logo. Right now this phone is running on Android 8.1 Oreo and soon Android 9.0 Pie will be released for this phone with new features. So guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video then please give thumbs up, and want more videos like this in the future then please do subscribe this channel. Until then, that's been it. Talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.